Welcome to Dynamic Computer School. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device designed to perform a variety of tasks by processing and storing data. It operates on a set of instructions known as programs that allow it to execute computations, control systems, and handle data efficiently. Here's a simple breakdown of its components and functions. Father of computer Charles Babbage, 1791 to 1871, was an English mathematician, inventor, and mechanical engineer, often referred to as the father of the computer for his pioneering work in the development of mechanical computing devices. He made significant contributions to early computing concepts, laying the groundwork for modern computers. Key components of a computer: Central Processing Unit, CPU. Often called the brain of the computer, it performs calculations and processes instructions. Memory, RAM. Short-term memory that stores data temporarily while the computer is running. Storage, HDD/SSD. Long-term storage where programs, files, and data are kept. Input devices. Tools like a keyboard, mouse, and scanner that allow users to interact with the computer. Output devices. Components like monitors and printers that display or output information. Motherboard. The main circuit board connects all components of the computer. Power supply. Provides the electrical power needed to run the computer. Types of computers. Supercomputers. Extremely powerful machines used for complex calculations like weather forecasting and scientific simulations. Mainframes. Large systems used by businesses for bulk data processing. Personal computers, PCs. Desktop or laptop computers used for everyday tasks like browsing, gaming, and productivity. Embedded systems. Specialized computers integrated into devices like cars, appliances, and medical equipment.